you get with this thing is the stock sniper rifle. Scope is not included. It comes with the strap. We got a speed loader here. And I think that's pretty much what they give you. We're gonna be loading this thing with .20 BBs at about, and shoot about 450 FPS at a distance of 100 feet. Crap.
Hit it. When?
Thank you.
Alright, so this is the 400 FPS limit test.
Here we go.
Go.
Bam. Oh, there it goes. Okay, good.
Oh. And made a hole right there. Yeah, as you can see with the sniper rifle, I was able to hit 6-inch windows from that target. It's a pretty good sniper rifle if I do say so myself. We got an adjustable chin rest here, along with a very nice backstock. Real nice firmness to it, pretty heavy. I don't think anything about this is going to break anytime soon. It has a little hole here, right here for the rail bipod attachment, or a rail adapter if you want to put it right here instead. Yeah, we got a pistol grip here, different from the regular L96. It says here, as you can see, made in China, but from the looks of it, it's not really shitty like what China makes. So, pretty good there. Yeah, all in all, this gun's pretty much well worth the price. I recommend it.